Good morning, dear children. Hope you are safe and at home. Today I have come with a new lesson, and the name of the lesson is Safety Rules. In this lesson, we are going to learn safety rules at home, in school, in the playground, on the road, in vehicles, and in the swimming pool. So, there are different safety rules at different places. We need to know the rules and the regulations in order to keep ourselves safe. Now, as we all know, accidents might happen at any time and at any place, and this might cause us injury or pain. So, we need to follow some rules in order to keep ourselves safe. Now, let us see the rules and the regulations that we need to follow when are we at home. Now, when we are at home, we should always remember not to touch electrical wires, gas stoves, toasters, iron boxes, especially when we are alone. And we should never touch these things when we are with wet hands. You might get an electrical shock from this. Secondly, we should never play with matchbox or candles. They might cause us burn. We should never take medicines unless and until it is prescribed by the doctor. It is very important to know that we should not tease or irritate pets in the streets or at home because they might bite us or they might injure us. Then we should always remember not to take sharp edges objects like needles, knives, blades. They might cut or they might lead us to injury. So these are the important things. There are few more things, but these are the very important things that you need to remember when you are at home. Now let us see what are the important rules and regulations that we need to follow when we are in school. Now in school we should never run with our bags because one might fall and one might get hurt. So we should always be careful when we are walking on the stairs. Next, we should never jump around in the classroom. One might get hurt from the benches and the desks. Now, next important thing we should always keep in mind is that we should never keep our hand close to the frame of the window because the window might bang shut and you may get hurt. Then we should remember not to play with sharp pencils. One might get hurt from that sharp pencil. And we should also never use blade and knife to sharp our pencil. While climbing in the stairs, we should always keep in mind to hold the railing and never to run on the stairs. Now, these were the important rules that you need to remember when you are in the school. Now, let us see what are the important rules that we need to follow when we are in the playground. While playing in the playground, we should always play safe games. Those games that helps you to learn something. Now, you should always keep in mind while playing that you should never push your friend or fight with them. You should never play near the thorny plants and near the wires in the playground. Now, next important thing that you should know is that while you are on the road, the rules that you need to follow, and this is very important, you should know this is not only important for you all now but for the whole life. Now firstly, when we walk on the road, we should always be careful and alert. We should always walk on the footpath, not on the main road. Then another important thing is that we should always follow the traffic rules. While going and coming, you might see the traffic signal with the three colors, and I'm sure you know the significance of the colors. Again, I'm repeating, the red color says stop. That means you need to stop your car or whatever vehicle you are in. The yellow color says ready to go. And when it is green color, then only you need to move because green signifies go. So you should always know these rules and regulations. Now, next important thing is that you should never run or play on the road. Never walk on the railway tracks. Those are very dangerous. While walking on the road, we should walk on the zebra crossing. And while crossing the road, we should always look to our right, then to our left, and then once again to our right. And only after making it sure that there is no vehicle coming, only then we need to move. Now let us know about pedestrian light. Now what is pedestrian light first? We need to know that. Pedestrian lights are the traffic lights for people to use the zebra crossing. So now when you cross the zebra crossing, you should follow this pedestrian light. You should never cross the road when the pedestrian light is red. We should only cross the road when the pedestrian light is green. Now, let us know the rules that we need to follow when we are in the vehicles. I'm sure most of the students you all come by bus or by car. So, you should always keep in mind not to push and rush while you all wait for your bus. You should always be in a queue. Then, you must always sit while the bus is moving. You must also keep in mind not to shout and to talk loudly while you are in a moving bus, because the bus driver may not able to concentrate on his driving. So you should always remember this. You should never lean out of the moving car or bus. And then you should always keep in mind to wear your seat belt when you are traveling in a car, especially if you are sitting in the front seat. I hope you will remember this. Now let us go to the next rule, that is rule that we need to follow in the swimming pool. You should always swim in the presence of an adult. You should never go alone. Then, while learning swimming, you should always use floaters or rubber tubes. You should never go to the deep end of a pool. That might be very dangerous. Then, you should never swim in the tank or pools. It is not at all safe for you all. So I hope you will remember these rules and you will go through the lesson. Thank you so much.